Hello, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. And before we begin the video, I would personally like to thank everybody posting comments on the previous video, which was on plants and bonsais. Thanks a lot for being kind and generous. बहुत सारे कमेंट्स डॉक्टर मनीष को भी आए और मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे मेल्स एंड कमेंट्स आए. Thanks a lot. I'm actually moved in touch. Thanks a lot for being part of Claptrap. Well, now this particular video is also very close to us. This was shot in the beginning of the inception जब हमने चैनल शुरू किया था. But this video did not get the kind of attention and there was a technical issue with the video. So I'm redoing it, bringing it to your attention. Before we start exploring product, मैं आपको 2-3 चीज़ें बता दूं. वैसे तो हम आपको पूरा डिटेल अभी बताएंगे, फिर भी आपको बता देते हैं कि स्टोर का नाम है मुडी वुडी इंटीरियर्स विच इज़ लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली. सारा डिटेल अभी आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर से मिल जाएगा. 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो स्टोर की ख़ास हैं. 2 इनफैक्ट फोकस करेंगे, बाकी हम वहाँ के ओनर से बात करके बताएंगे. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाते हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन फर्नीचर के अलावा एक ऐसा कलेक्शन है, बहुत लार्ज कलेक्शन है, जो कि आजकल बहुत इन है. यानी कि डिस्ट्रेस लुक में मिल जाते हैं आपको पुराने दरवाजे, डोर, वार्डरोब्स, कंसोल्स, पैनल्स, डेकोरेटिव पीसेस. इनफैक्ट अगर आप देखें तो आपको लाइव एज में यहाँ पे कुछ वॉश बेसिन्स भी हैं, बेड्स हैं, डाइनिंग टेबल हैं, ड्रेसिंग टेबल्स है और साथ में स्टडी टेबल. दिस इज़ वन. सेकंड इज़ दी एंटरप्रेन्योर इज़ वेरी वेरी नॉलेजेबल. आज के वीडियो में ये 2 खासियत हैं और तीसरा है जो हम प्रोडक्ट एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
हेलो संध्या जी.
स्टडी टेबल. लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो नाउ.
Sandhya ji, we have been featuring a lot of stores and every store is unique in its own way. हर स्टोर की अपनी एक खासियत होती है एंड आई एम श्योर योर स्टोर इज़ ऑल्सो यूनिक बिकॉज हमने काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स देखे आपके पास. आपके प्रोडक्ट्स में बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स में थोड़ा फ़र्क है. यू हैव एंटीक मॉडर्न विद ब्यूटिफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. एस्थेटिक आर्ट भी है आपके पास एंड वुड इज़ क्वालिटी इज़ ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड. So before we start revealing products, let the audience know about the store. What is the name of the store, please?
We are at main MG Road, Torney, and
Okay.
by the name of Mudi Interiors. We are basically manufacturers, retailers, wholesalers. We have got our own manufacturing unit just close by, which is 5 minutes walk from here.
Okay.
And that's how it makes our store very different from others
From the
because
rest.
we are manufacturing on our own.
All
So
right.
whatever designs, combinations we get, we do make it, and there's always a fusion of few designs. And I think necessity is the mother of
Invention.
So that's how we get different designs.
All right.
It's as per the requirements. It's on the specifications that we do.
Okay.
Though we have got lot of area over here and we have got lot of display, but most of our work is on orders. It's
All right.
90% on orders.
Okay.
So basically, I won't hesitate to say that we are very well skilled also to read the mind of the client.
Oh.
We are putting their mind on in execution. We try to do that.
Oh.
So that is how it's, the design is basically, it's a contribution of the clients as well as the efforts of us. And we are basically a team.
Okay.
And it's a store which was established by my parents. We are here since last 25-30 years. And my father, being an aeronautical engineer, is very particular about the detailing of the furniture.
Okay.
And the aesthetics. He's more into the designing, and the designing contribution is his. All
Okay.
his. It's more of a passion for him,
All
and
right.
that you can see in the designs also, in the execution also. He's very particular about the technical details as well.
All
So
right.
that's. And he is the person who looks after the factory more.
Okay.
He emphasizes on the design, execution, and the quality. So
Amazing.
that makes sense.
And since the product range is very large, we will try to cover one after another whenever possible, as and when required. We'll come and
We'll be
feature
really grateful
once
for
again.
that.
But as of now, the hot cake is the hottest selling product is the study table.
Yeah.
Lot of comments, lot of mails, and people are asking us if we can feature some of the wooden tables for the study purpose only.
Okay.
All right. So do we have them right now?
We have got a wide range of study tables and bookshelves in terms of the designs, specification, and sizes. Of course, it has to be affordable. That's the most important thing.
All right.
Though the definition of affording is not
Subjective.
very clear.
It's subjective. It
it's very
differs from
subjective.
person to
Yeah,
person.
From person to person, and the specification of the design.
In the every single Claptrap video, we always mention this to people that nothing is expensive or cheap. It's all about your pocket.
Specifications.
Yeah.
It depends on the specification and the requirement, which makes which brings out the price. Costing.
All right. Well, we'll come back to this again, the payment method and all that also, or else we'll talk about it. How do you receive the payments? Is online, Paytm, or how? Internet
Any which
banking?
ways. I
All
mean,
right.
it could be through the bank or whatever way they want to
Okay.
pay.
Or
Of
cash
course,
if
the
they
charges
walk in.
and taxes extra in that.
All right. Now we come to the most exciting part. We'll start exploring the products now. Let's have it. Ma'am, we are inside the store now. Let's start exploring the product. All
This
right.
is a plain study table, straight line study table.
Okay.
This is in shisha wood. This is in teak wood, which is a old classical look and feel. And it is a very compact study table, which could later on be converted into a traditional also, and could be multi-purposely used, because nowadays our emphasis is more on the products wherein we make or design them in such a way that you can reutilize it in your interiors.
Okay.
Because things are very expensive and we can't afford to throw them, and we might not be able to even procure these kind of designs later.
All right. This is
This is in
beautiful.
teak wood.
Oh, okay.
And as you can see, there is a storage also on the
Okay.
sides.
Okay.
So basically, in this compact area of 2 feet by 2 feet, you get a lot of storage on the sides. One of the sides is the door, and another side we have got the drawers. Then we have this kind of a thing over here, and then this has got the legroom also.
All
It's
right.
very good, small, compact, even for the kids' room, even for the adults. And if you want to put the laptop, we can just put a wooden member here, introduce a wooden member so that it doesn't slip.
Oh, okay.
And
That's
tomorrow
nice.
you don't want to use it as a study table, this could easily be converted into a dresser also with a mirror on the top.
Oh, this becomes like a console.
Console also.
So this is shisham wood.
This is teak wood.
Teak wood.
This
And
is
this
teak
is little antique look.
This is little antique look.
How much will this cost me?
Something like this would cost you 11,500 rupees, and it's all complete teak, and inside you'll find pine wood, which is again insect resistant wood.
All right. So
Like
there's
the
no,
teak wood.
there's
No
no
insect
chances
problem. No
of
insect
insects or
problem.
termites. All right. This is for how much you said?
11,500.
11,500. All right. We come back to the next table.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
This one is.
This is in shisham wood.
all right.
This is a simple straight line table,
Okay.
which could be used as a laptop table also,
All
for
right.
a small compact space.
Okay. And there's a drawers. के अंदर
There
एक
is a
छोटा.
drawer to keep stationery or pencils.
अच्छा ये एक छोटा सा इसके अंदर ड्रॉअर है. ये basically board होता है.
ये ply होता है नीचे का.
नीचे
Base
का
has to be ply.
Okay.
So that it is light in weight.
इसकी कितनी height है basically?
All the tables are standard height 30 inches. Like this also was 30 inches only.
30 inches.
30 inches.
Okay. This
That's
will
international
vary.
standard. This
All right.
varies 3 by 2, 2 by 2,
All right.
or 3 by 1.5. These varies.
And
This
this-
size varies. Top size varies.
And this can be customized also.
It could be customized, very much customized, and even if you want two of the tables to be, fused and made into a different design, that could also be done.
All right. How much is this for? Only table without chair?
6,000.
6,000 rupees only. Very, very cost effective.
Yeah.
Very much affordable. And this is very nice, Parsi, very
Yeah.
antique looking.
This gets.
This is unfinished.
Yeah, this
right?
is unfinished. Ours is more like a studio. So
Okay.
we can put a tile thing here.
All right.
We can even put some kind of a nice fabric at the back.
Mhm.
We normally try to give a room wherein you can play around and give a personal touch.
Oh,
so we
okay.
don't keep the things which are absolutely finished, because it's your innovation that can bring it in a different
Oh,
life into the
it's
table.
basically so that this table doesn't look misfit. To
Does.
blend with your existing
thing?
scheme, you put
Plus
things.
your personality.
All right.
It should reflect your personality as well.
Oh, what wood is this, man?
This is in teak wood.
Okay.
Again, or insect resistant wood.
Okay. There are
And
two
naturally
drawers.
anti-termite,
Okay.
anti-board.
All
And
right.
season 2.
All right. How much will it cost after polishing?
8,500.
8,000.
And it's a very effective and economical table, I would say. It could again be used as a console also.
All right.
And it could be used for any other purpose as well.
Okay.
Because the size is very compact and
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't give you a challenge of keeping it anywhere.
Okay. Cool. All right. This is looking very different, very uniquely
This
designed.
is again a
This-
antique kind of a, these are old classical desks that we used to have.
Oh my! Oh wow! This goes like piano cover.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. This is also wooden.
Yeah, this is all wood.
Okay. Wow. And this
And-
rolls inside.
Rolls inside,
Okay.
and whatever things we are working on,
Uh-huh.
we are working on the mechanical things.
All
We
right.
don't believe in complicated hardware.
Okay.
That's the USP of our store.
Okay.
Be it the convertible beds,
Uh-huh.
be it these kind of
Study
roll
tables.
down shutter tables,
All
or
right.
anything of that sort. It's all mechanical.
Okay. And this space is a little less for.
No, we have got a tray over here.
Oh, okay. All right. So you have a solution
Yeah.
for everything.
Yeah.
These are the two drawers. This is a little space where you can
Yeah.
keep your books.
Your mobiles and everything, they don't
Yeah.
get lost. So that when you're working, things are at their place.
And is this any hole or you make it
We can do
for
that.
charger?
We can
All
do
right.
that.
Okay.
We can
Because
always
generally
do.
people
As
have
per the
laptop
clients.
charger.
Yeah, as per the client
Can we
requirement.
look at the trip? जो इसके अंदर ट्रे है वो देख सकते हैं एक बार,
Tray.
इसके नीचे लग जाएगा वो. All right. Okay, so let me show this to everyone. This is for how much?
Something like this would cost you 14,000.
14,000 rupees.
1/4. It's all complete solid wood.
All right.
It's made in mango wood,
Okay.
and it's
Everything in, even this shutter is also
Yeah,
mango wood.
all wood.
And this color can be
It
customized.
could be customized. It has to be customized. We haven't put any color on anything.
Okay,
It's
this
all
is raw.
natural. Yeah, all raw. You have to decide. You have to tell us your combination, your color scheme. Then we'll do it.
All right, cool. This is for 14,000 rupees.
Yeah.
We go to the next section now. This is the another section. ये भी यहाँ पे एक है. This is Sanjay ji. This is a little bigger than that.
This is for the home office purpose.
Home office
Or you can
purpose.
even use it for a small conference.
Conference also.
Because you need space to house your desktop or a laptop along with the printer.
Okay.
There's a working space for the files and all.
Oh, okay.
So this is made keeping in mind that kind of a space required.
So multiple utility है इसका. This can be used as your workstation, conference table, also for the individual use also.
Yeah.
And this is very good for people those who display their products. Suppose you have a boutique or something,
Yeah,
है ना?
it's very good.
उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है
It's
because
good
they
for the center.
हाँ,
display.
this can be used for a central display. How much is this for and what is the measurement?
10,000 rupees, and this is for 4 feet by 3 feet. It's a
4
good
by
display
3.
table. Yeah.
All right. All treated है ना ये wood
Yeah,
भी?
all treated in season.
All right. Treated and seasoned.
We don't
Warranty is
use
already
any
covered.
wood which is not treated in season.
All right. All seasoned wood. शीशम में 10,000 rupees is very cost effective. Very much affordable.
We can't afford to use untreated wood because
All right.
the kind of inventory we have, before anyone else have it, we'll have it.
All right.
So we can't.
Cool. So we come back to this one. एक ये और है ये. This is looking very
This is
different.
for a small space,
Okay.
and this table gives you more space, and it can be pulled out in doubles of the space.
All right. Generally we don't get such kind of tables.
Yeah. Because
इसका
for
plus.
small compact area, it's very good because when it's closed, it's a small area that it's occupied.
All right.
But when you need more space, then you can always pull this out.
Oh, it becomes
And
double
this
the
doubles
size.
of the space.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
The working space becomes more.
This is very suitable for a small size flat जहाँ पे space की थोड़ी problem होती है. This is अभी इसका जो size है यहाँ से लेके I think around 3
It's
feet,
3 feet by
4 feet,
21 inches.
21 inches. And once you pull this out, it becomes double the size.
Double the size.
How much is this for?
15,000.
15,000. Not much. Not
And this has
much.
got 2 drawers also.
Oh, there are 2 drawers also. All right. Very nice. Very spacious. बहुत अच्छा है ये. And creativity की बात करें अगर, so you have these kind of things also जहाँ पे आप अपना
open shelves.
open shelves और wall mounting units
Yeah.
you can place there. यहाँ पे wall पे आप mount कर लीजिए. You can keep your books and other belongings
Yeah.
related to your study.
Yeah.
All right, maybe few flower vases.
Because
and
we
all
don't
that.
get, we don't take more storage space in the table because that increases the space also.
Right. Right.
Which we can't afford.
So
normally.
something like this can go with
Yeah.
it. Okay. Of
And
course you
with
have
the
to match
laptop
it.
and all, you don't need much space for the storage as well.
Right, right. But suppose you have books,
Then
or
you
maybe
can
you
have
have.
small shelves like these.
Okay, we turn around, and yeah,
This
we
kind
can
of
have
small shelves
yeah
also.
we can have this extra space on the top of it. We come back to the tables now where we started from.
Yeah.
All right, this is the next one.
This is in stream beech wood,
Hmm.
and this is giving an industrial look because of the metal legs
Hmm.
that it has. So it gives you more modern look.
Oh, okay. अच्छा इसके
Modern
अंदर
and lighter
जो
look.
legs के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, these are nice legs इसके अंदर है ये
हाँ
और metal का है ये पूरा
Metal का
rod है.
leg है.
All right. And this doesn't go
rust,
chipping
no.
and all, no rusting, nothing. And this has open space.
Open space.
ये आपने कौन सा wood बताया?
Steam beech wood.
Steam beech wood. ये कहाँ से आता है?
Steam beech is an imported wood.
All right. इसकी क्या life होती है? Because this is
There's
for the
no problem with it. This
Okay.
comes treated only.
this
and
comes
seasoned.
treated and it's a lifelong thing
Yeah.
basically. There's nothing to worry about the life. All right. इसके अंदर भी grooves बहुत अच्छे हैं. This can be also be customized.
It could be customized again.
All right.
Anything can be customized.
How much is this for?
9,000 rupees.
All right. If need be, you can put drawers also. eh?
Yeah, we can do that.
9,000 thing is a very good price for this. इसका matching आप ऊपर wall
We
के
can
लिए बना
always
सकते
create
हैं?
the yeah. We
अच्छा,
can always
extra
create
space
the
you can
units.
create.
Yeah.
All right. There are 2 more tables. एक ये मैंने दूसरे
It's a
टाइम ही
small
देखा.
table wherein, you know, in the bedrooms also sometimes you need some space to just keep your laptop and quickly work for 5-10 minutes.
Right.
This is a very good solution for that.
Wow, this is very nice. ये बहुत ही सुंदर
This
है.
has got small drawers.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So it acts more like a console also. You can even use it as a dresser table or a laptop
Oh,
table in the
this-
bedroom. It's a multi-purpose table.
Oh, this is very nice. Walnut color इसमें है basically. This is not the original color.
No, this is not the original color.
This is colored as
This
walnut
is with
color,
the stain.
golden brown.
With the
All
stain
right.
on it, though not finished,
Okay.
but with the stain on it.
Okay. Okay. How much is this for?
This is for 7,500.
And see, look at the legs, they are so beautifully crafted. Every single piece is so handmade and nicely crafted. This will add a lot of value in your bedroom if you want to keep it. Otherwise, also, if you have a small office, you have a study
Even
table.
in a straight line bedroom, it would look nice because it will break the monotony of straight line.
Right,
With
right.
just these rings coming in.
Okay.
So it looks nice.
And this blends very well with your modern house and ethnic house.
And if you want to play around more,
Uh-huh.
you can even give a distressed look to it.
Okay.
If it is a
that-
completely different piece you're getting into your bedroom,
Right.
you can always play around with the
Cool.
colors.
Very nice. This
Just
is
to
very
make
nice.
it more like a show display piece.
Okay. Very nice.
And you can treat it like a display piece rather than treating it like a furniture piece.
Yeah, actually. And इसका जो top है, there are
beautiful bits.
lot
And the
of
curves.
curves. And curve is very nice. And back this part is straight because so that you can keep
Yeah.
it close to the wall.
Wall.
How much is this for? You said
7,500.
7,500. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this. I've taken this. Okay, cool. I was looking out for something like this. Well, we come back to this. The last one. ये मैम ये
This
क्या
is a
है?
very nice, delicate looking table.
Okay. अच्छा इसका जो legs है वो cross
And
legs
herein
है.
you get the solution for the things also which normally falls off at the back side of
Alright.
the wall.
Okay.
So this gives you that kind of a support also. Plus it's a part of the design. It doesn't look odd also. And you have got the drawers in it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very nice, small, compact design.
Wow. This is how
Which
much is
gives
this for?
different dimension to the design. Of
How
the
much is
table.
this for?
This is for 9,500.
9,500 only. What wood is this?
This is Shisham wood.
This is
But it
Shisham.
could be again customized into any wood.
All right. Okay, we go back to your room now. We'll talk about it. We'll wind up the show. We have come to an end. Before we wind up, please एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए कि lot of products are available और walk-in जो customer होते हैं you accept checks, cash, everything, payment method. All right. प्रोडक्ट रेंज हमने ऑलरेडी बता दिया. जो अभी हमने स्टडी टेबल देखे थे बाहर, वो सारे स्टडी टेबल को के बारे में बता दीजिए कि क्या उसकी ऑल इंडिया डिलीवरी है?
उसकी ऑल इंडिया डिलीवरी है. Wherever you want, we can send it across the world.
अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. ऑलराइट. पेमेंट मेथड ऑलरेडी है. अच्छा, इन टेबल्स का क्या कोई असेंबली रिक्वायर्ड होता है?
No, these are not folding ones, but if you want these to be folding ones, we can always do that also.
अच्छा.
We
अदरवाइज
make it in such a way because we can do customization, so it could be done as per your requirement.
सो इट गोज द वे इट इज और यू इसको डिसमेंटल करके आप भेजते हैं?
हाँ जी, भेज सकते हैं. We have been doing it for the foreign clients.
ऑलराइट. डिसमेंटल करके भेजते हैं. देन असेंबली दे कैन डू.
Assembly they can do themselves.
So do you give
I
any
think
assembly
they are
also?
more
Techno savvy.
equipped- yeah, more equipped to do that. We
All
are
right.
less.
Okay, cool. It was pleasure meeting you. बहुत मजा आया
Same
आप देख
here.
के. Nice products. We will try to feature few more. I can see there are a lot of
Looking forward to
interesting.
that.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.